this morning, during Ouch Palangi show. This is Ouch Palangi show.
Right.
We say good morning to all the staff of Punjas who are out there.
Right.
Maybe going to work.
Right.
Say tombo kiru chempe kana queue na matini ulisala na
Very long queue.
Okay, Julum.
All the factory workers, thank you so much.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is with FM. If you are listening from 92.2 FM,
Yeah.
in the biggest province of Fiji,
Yeah. Where?
is province of Mba.
Right.
Oi.
It's a sugar city of Fiji.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's Lautoka.
Right.
All right.
It's a city of Fiji.
Right.
Suba.
All right.
It's a bamboo of Fiji.
Right.
Netasiri.
Okay.
It's a suri of Fiji.
Right.
No sorry.
Yeah.
It is flooded of Fiji.
Right.
Rewa.
All right.
Oh.
It is a deed of cession of Fiji.
Yeah.
Lebuka.
Right.
It is the sweetest plant we ever taste in life.
All right.
Madwata.
Wow. Kawai kami na.
Yeah.
Kaya nandalo nimbua.
Ha.
Porong chikabaya na mataka nikua.
Right.
Ya beraka
Say good morning to Dubs.
we say good morning to our dear brother Dubs tuning
Yeah.
in from he's coming to Makoi now.
Right.
On his way to Suva.
Right.
Na kiwe tareko chika ngono go.
Yeah.
Ko tiku sar mai naranabout Cornibia.
Yeah.
Wala little muri melakani ba nusuri.
Wow.
Coming on his way to Suva.
Right.
Because of the what you call it, the accident, eh?
Yeah.
Ko ato chiko
You can feel the accident from Langere right to.
during the normal queue period.
Right.
Daw kita cuma karua LM
TJ.
Yeah.
LM49.
Leosena.
Iyo. Na normal queue pantang na bisinga.
Iya.
Sindo na pakatalaka. Ko rin tao sa tunga manakasi.
Yeah.
Makoy pa ya uwa sa tunga.
Right.
So this is the accident.
Ito na pakatalaka.
Right.
All right. To Dubs, Black Aero Taxi, and also to the everybody.
Yeah.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Mustafa.
The Nananu.
Yeah.
Permission to fall out.
Right.
Good morning to you, and also to Mustafa,
Yeah.
Abdullah,
Right.
Sormarua, Dombula, Doyanra.
We say good morning to our OB.
Yeah.
Porong chuma na mataka di kuwa.
Mai.
Pakaki ni bertoranda 16 ni RKS.
Right.
Pag di binakan guru bitokan yan mataka ni kuwa.
Right. John Kumar, if Remember Roka and Chosemwata Turanga,
Yeah.
they are tuning in from their places on our Facebook page, VTFM Facebook page, and also good morning to those tuning in the YouTube channel. To Shelly. She always tune in to the VTFM YouTube channel, and also good morning to those who are tuning in on our TikTok account.
Momo Willie.
Hey, Mama Willie, Bula Binaka.
Yeah.
What you said today? Momo Willie got one TikTok account.
Yeah, Mama Willie got one TikTok account.
Boy.
And he said,
Tum Tolgana?
Tum Tolgana. Fella is sharing it on his TikTok account, the story
Yes.
about his son.
Pita masilada mbule mina nawekangu lipa lobo mbola tangani also to the people who are leaving that land, who are going now for the water.
Yeah.
This cross the Blai water.
Right.
To Redstone Kandamu.
Right.
And the family from Solondamu Tabukin Kandamu.
Okay.
They're going to ride to Endawai Siliba from Bau.
Okay.
The family they're going for one buried ceremony.
Iya. Berta cuma na
so boleh masukkan kali?
nonton bulu si dono ubi sa berta cuma na matadu sabi ka ngalala le traffic sarto satu itu na lori.
Okay.
Ko na lori lo berto satu itu na tow truck na ngono ko.
Oh.
Bikimre ngara to all the drivers out there please drive carefully.
Right.
Follow the road rules.
Okay.
Roni maru tiki na dito sos.
Iya.
Berta ke bagana if there's an accident.
Yeah.
Between Suva and Osori corridor.
Yeah.
Sama stungaya. All the workers will be late.
Affect
Yeah.
everyone.
And the children too will be late to school.
Someone posting the thing on the Facebook.
Yeah.
Oh, our children are gonna reach school at 10. Yes, so the drivers, please be careful.
Be careful,
Right.
because if you rush,
Yeah.
that rush can cause accident,
Right.
can cause traffic,
Yeah.
can cause terminated from work.
Yeah.
Because the boss they don't want to know that.
Yeah.
They just later they got a suspension or
Right.
termination.
Yeah.
Be punctual to your driving skills.
You rushed.
Don't rush gorna bebe.
Kaya kami traffic juga ikino ya.
Okay.
Udah boleh Robin update cuma yang telingon salah mata kali kuat.
right.
Maka kira be Dubs. Okay. Now,
Yeah.
what time is it? 7:39. Okay.
Right.
Now,
Yeah.
students are leaving
Right.
to school, going to school, and maybe dad going
Yeah.
to work too.
Right.
Sarna cunga mo mami.
Yeah.
What kita ni tot kali lai.
Yeah.
Right.
Maybe a small dorbori lai, si mana nelo lai.
Right.
So na ngona de dubang karere to yali.
Okay.
Eh?
Sometimes when we look for the tiny living, they are
Tiny
gone.
what?
Tiny living.
Oi.
Yeah.
They are gone.
Right.
Where?
You Fijian, I'm English.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Sama na ito bang karera?
Sometimes we look for them.
Dadaw lipat dengan rukun lang.
We move ourselves to the underneath.
Dalaki wa tu menta waktu daling menta rongot sila na rorong lakot sumibi.
Yeah.
Sometimes we hear ourselves where the sound coming from.
Narongot sila lakot sila na talibon.
We can hear the voice of the tap.
Magkano talibon niya gali?
We look for the phone. No.
Kasi ko lewa.
Mommy,
In the curtain.
Iya.
in the cotton box. Living in Lucy.
Ya sir mo ner to wel lalu benda.
Iya.
Wel sir suka na talibon.
Sometimes-
Bikin na maramatir.
Iya.
Right.
Kira mo niyan ran roba kira mata gali.
Sometimes when we leave the room, we leave the house,
Yeah.
we're looking for them.
Yeah.
Some of them, they are listening, they are silent in their phone call.
Mo sir nga.
They are moving themselves from the cocomelon. We look, no.
Who are they calling?
They are calling themselves.
Ya erto wel suka lalu benda na talibon. We may be busy doing something eh.
They are looking at themselves. Sometimes they are doing selfie.
Iya.
We open up the gallery, there's 100 of them.
Mo sir nga.
Yeah.
Sir lalu benda.
There's a what?
There are 100 of them.
Baka merekam boleh kete mai.
Yeah, sometimes they want to grow them. But now, they see them, they are very laughing.
Ada talo me boleh
Yeah.
kira on the tiny living eh.
Right.
Na mata gali. Kami kita na maramatir to all the mothers out there.
Iya.
I will say fina ko boleh to the susu and
Thank you.
mataka.
Dina sir.
Apa bimbi be
Imagine
Yeah.
if there's no children in the home,
tiny living.
tiny living.
Iya.
Oh, we will be,
Lonely.
boring,
Yeah.
because of them.
Yeah.
What we are doing someday,
Yeah.
we laugh at them because they respond
Right.
in our daily living.
Yeah.
So na ito man ang dawarotaka,
Yeah.
and the kindalir sa saumalis tal tumawira nakangan tandota ka ba?
Right.
Sometime our
It's like
talkative,
the echo.
the
Yeah.
echo of
Yeah.
of our life is within them.
So one
So
lesson.
They are the window.
One lesson.
Yeah.
Come.
They may say, make more.
Make more me other.
So the alphabet of our life
Yeah.
is
The house itself.
photocopy.
Yes,
Yeah.
that's true.
Yeah. What?
The house.
Yeah.
If you want to see the house,
Yeah.
you see the window.
Yeah.
They are the window to the house.
Right.
Fada ko ila tamo anare.
Anare.
Sa ronga dara botu sana no korto ng buto ko dara tawa wine.
Tabaya wine ni bello to may sin to.
Sentimodi.
Sentimodi.
To
Kaya
father.
to oto takatala ni pana kisi.
Right.
Ah?
Ang gaili beno ka sa chuko mena wine.
Si Jumenawan me kukunalingan. To father ni boy. Kami ni boy. I can see the photo. The photo was been transferred to the messenger yesterday.
Yeah.
My father Aquila Tambolo. I see the fella here.
Yeah.
After this,
Yeah.
we will go to father ni boy. And the Keke estate is
Yeah.
transferred to the mast.
Oi.
They doing one
Okay,
social study.
thank you. Okay.
Oi.
All right. Okay. Our story this morning about Dudu Pio.
This is a Dudupio.
Yeah.
Without the Dudupio, no. There we go. One fella was being postponed
Yeah.
by the
Airplane.
the family.
Yeah.
Okay.
So he was being caught.
Yeah.
He was doing one
What?
unhealthy living.
Yeah.
Where?
Elasa naturango,
Okay.
and he was being caught
Yeah.
somewhere with another woman.
Yeah.
Oi.
This woman,
Yeah.
he got the owner.
Oi, like the man trespass.
Yeah.
Trespass.
Oh, so.
He trespassed to somebody's wife.
Yeah.
Oi, okay.
Yeah.
Correct.
So one day
Yeah.
he was got one sickness.
O kasi ba what's
He's a non
applicable?
applicable wedding.
Yeah.
The fella leave the home.
Yeah.
Want to go to the hospital, but
Yeah.
he's afraid of the hospital
Why?
Okay.
because of the injection.
Okay.
Smell.
Yeah. The last time he visit the hospital
Yeah.
is during the cutting machine.
Okay. What long time ago?
Nangona ka na yung burikina.
Yeah, long time.
But
During the what?
cutting machine.
Oi.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
Bucha. May.
so he going.
Yeah.
He going to the hospital. The nurse
Yeah.
and the doctor ask him.
Yeah.
Take the pressure. The pressure. Oh, very high.
Oi.
The hotness, eh?
Yeah.
Kata-kata.
Right.
Very high.
Uh.
And they ask them, why the heart is up?
Yeah.
They told him,
Yeah.
the people there.
Broken heart.
Because he's,
Broken heart.
not broken heart. He's, make the heart broken.
Yeah.
This
Broken
one.
skull.
Broken skull ang na tattoo.
Yeah.
The fellow was there.
Yeah.
He doing the... They're to Babisuko, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah.
They tie them.
Yeah.
They go to the
Because
hospital.
he doesn't want to go to the hospital.
Yeah.
Right.
So orto ke babi sugi ko
Yeah.
orto na frenga.
Right,
Orto
right.
ngandra membula.
We see your pressure.
Yeah.
Very good.
Yeah.
We see your blood.
Yeah.
Very good.
Right.
We see your life.
Yeah.
Scan yourself.
Yeah.
Everything set.
Very good.
CAT scan.
Huh?
Kora CAT scan me.
Yeah.
Body scan sera.
Yeah.
Body scan.
Yeah.
Very good.
Yeah.
But can see in you,
Yeah.
you become a scammer. So, o sa scam taga chikoy ko ito na bumali. You
Oy,
take
oy.
the life of somebody's wife,
Right.
and you want to run into your home living.
Oh,
Right,
okay.
right, right.
Yeah.
Okay.
Now,
What did the doctor say?
a doctor said,
Yeah.
everything okay.
Right.
Maybe something wrong from the land.
What wrong?
Don't I
Check the
go-
weight. Check the weight.
We check the weight.
Yeah.
I can see something wrong with you. Lack of appetite.
Unbalanced. Unbalanced.
Unbalanced.
Yeah.
Your weight
Yeah.
and your age doesn't match.
Oh, yeah.
Right.
I think something wrong with you, Heritaria.
Right.
Yeah.
Right.
Hey, 7C, yan raman ka?
Yeah, yan raman.
Ano naman natin? Nagona, ito na mo yung 7C.
Yeah.
O, dem siguro na ito kini Tombo, tsaka may nakoro.
Apa ka na si Sere?
O, namboro.
And then.
So this one was there.
Yeah.
Come.
Yeah.
What's your? I heard you, doctor. You said
Yeah.
my age and my weight doesn't match.
Yeah.
Can you give me one diet to
Yeah.
follow?
Yeah.
I need life.
Special diet.
Special diet.
Yeah.
Right.
Come. I give you. You have to drink more milk.
What?
do?
Do the pure.
Yeah.
Oy, drink mo.
Turang apa sih?
Yeah.
Drink more. Do the pure.
Yeah.
Alsa.
Yeah.
Algebra.
Yeah.
Gemini.
Gemini korna match. Eat.
Yeah.
Mo ngunu ba?
Yeah.
Drink a lot. Ngunu sutu ba lebu.
Yeah. Kesena?
If no,
Yeah.
your life will
I'll give
become
you
an
3
end.
weeks.
3
Right.
weeks.
Yeah.
You know, 3.
Yeah.
Coming back to
Yeah.
the village.
Right.
As soon as he entered the village,
Yeah.
he heard
Enter the dragon.
enter the dragon go rememos.
What's that?
Tandabui.
Yeah.
The Cecil is coming onto the village hall.
Oy.
Sakal to turun ko tandabui.
Right.
Come to the village hall.
Ah.
Yeah.
Because
Yeah.
somebody caught them
Yeah.
with somebody's wife.
Oi.
The
Sama
question
tahu.
is,
Oh, sick boy.
Yeah.
the
Right.
question is, why there somebody's wife
Yeah.
attached to that?
Sweetheart, na kami tani ngusuna.
Oi.
Oi.
Okay.
So they take him to the village hall to ask him if
Yeah.
we do's,
Yeah.
if we drink,
Yeah.
come.
Right.
Go inside. Stop.
Tarugin go.
Stop.
Yeah.
The husband, the owner
Yeah.
of the wife is
Yeah.
there. The wife
Yeah.
and all the member of the village.
Yeah.
Right.
Dina sir. Dina
Please, we will only ask you. We don't have time.
Yeah.
Dia ada beda
Only
kami
the-
Matamano Allen Resort.
Right.
Only 3 questions.
Yeah.
You do
Yeah.
or does?
Right.
Do you trespass?
Do you trespass to this one's wife?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Naula sa tiko.
Ah.
The fella said no.
Yeah.
Oy.
Asing Berto na the boys from the outside in the door.
Yeah.
Take him outside. Take him outside.
Bring him here.
Bring him here.
Buturaking go.
Yeah.
Bring one small buturaki. Boleh na Sunny boy from the super bus stand.
Right.
Check Fondasi Sebas
Yeah.
to Bill
Yeah.
and Raven MK 115 and also to Bentari.
Right.
So the fella was there.
Sa
Yeah.
kita mo sick boy.
Yeah.
Come boy. Come.
Yeah.
Tell me.
Yeah.
How?
Yeah.
How you do?
3 times I ask you now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I ask you.
They asked the lady.
No, the lady said, as a male first.
Yeah.
Ask the
Oi.
male.
As the sick boy.
As a sick boy.
Yeah.
And what you do?
Yeah.
First question,
Yeah.
second question,
Yeah.
no.
Yeah.
And third question. This is the last question before I leave you to the outside. Ortomatumba, bit ko may tumba.
Yeah.
Bit ko may.
The
Yeah.
public is waiting outside.
It's waiting.
Yeah.
If you tell the truth, we will release you.
Yeah.
This is the last question before I leave you to the outside boys.
Right.
Satu ko mabunuay, kay ko na katamang bula,
Iya,
ko mangunusu.
tutu,
Right.
tutu,
Ya
tutu.
sarang na wani mati.
Yeah.
Tutu Mikael,
Sambula ko na
tutu.
kakete ko.
Iya.
Iya, sarong kita mo.
Right.
Carry on.
You dus.
Trespass.
Ikut apa?
Who?
Ah.
Him. Are you trespass?
Yeah.
The fella said,
The
No.
doctor said,
Yeah.
no.
Yeah.
You know what's wrong?
yeah.
I call drink.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oi.
Yeah.
Why you drink?
Yeah.
The fella said, because a doctor
I
told
told
me.
small dudu pio.
Yeah, I do that because a doctor said.
Yeah.
If
Do
no, I
alone.
die.
If no, I die.
Yeah.
The husband, the owner of the wife.
Yeah.
Are why you do?
Yeah.
Punch the floor.
Punch the floor.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Atapa? Atapa mo bakina? Mamemu.
English.
Why you want to take them?
Last question.
Come.
Yeah, last
Last question.
Yeah.
Are you use?
Are you what?
Are you use?
Yeah.
Semberka? No.
Yeah.
I call
Small.
I call small.
Yeah.
Why you small?
Yeah.
It's not yours.
Yeah.
That's for the public.
Ayaw. Di ko palitan lo tingin ko chingay.
Mamemu. Hey, Binabale, Poncha celebrating 90 years. Thank you for growing with us.
Right.
Every time. We say good morning.
Ay, sa kalay.
Mamemu. Bila saya ni andra menaka Juliet Margaret Kathy. Dan andra menaka pun ni menaka tiani. Ena talna maybe ya tips.
Ano italo sa ramen da kuinuku?
Ano ba?
May poso ni ka kuno ko ya.
Ito bio turang nita.
Abe.
Na may na tayo ng Russia ti wandali.
Don't bola.
Ano ba bibi na boleh besar bito kan na matagali ko.
Right.
Mel na dale, bule na kay no isa. Bila senia good morning. Donada Igno.
Ignesis. Right. Bill bulu menaka sa mata kami ngore Bill Boyo.
Sergio Tindao yung bola
Ito
rin.
na buli mo chuka.
Iyo.
Ito tarong mantay liw na pati roch kira bitala no.
Iya, may.
Roch kira sa ni bitala no.
Ha.
So ngono sabi kan sa sarang na buka mo sa na tinitin ni ka.
Iya.
Na conclusion.
Ngori.
Iyo. So na kanibra.
Tara ni mamalwa.
Tara malu.
Right.
Ako yung ngandre mo ng bula.
Ngandre mo ng bula.
Iyo.
Di nanda ka niyang buta ko ba?
Ngori.
Ya, sa kanina nakita ko, bata sa pasal may binuwa.
Iyo.
Nataro le mo na mo solia kina.
Bata nga,
Oh, right. Ah?
Solution.
Ha?
Solution.
No to da ka tigo mo dole uya. Na solisente.
Ako nga doon may daka.
Daka. Joe sa kanasa bulu menaka.
Na boleh lebu Savaira, na
Right.
boleh lebu John Kumar, na boleh lebu Kautia.
Sin mo talo jor ko parang mga may soli mo na matakali ba items.
Ha?
Saya nggak satar kemba.
Darur.
Eh?
Darur.
Kemba.
Iya.
Tar kemba.
Kay ako etura nga bandong bulu to ka.
Lipa lo pembola tangan. Oh, isa tumpul binang main reketi.
Isa.
Lo main house.
Andro.
Oh, may nakanadang.
Nakana tangi. Saan sina? Tai ratu natokula lipa lo bola tangan ni handa binaka. Tixlote.
Right.
Tau Dems may Mangere.
Iya.
East Auckland.
Uy, su.
Iya. Matamano alan di zona na tumololo.
Doyan sa tela.
Tu na garabi na sarva nua.
Iya.
Oh, tamay mala text wala bola. Ni bola na kimuni.
Iyo.
Ano na ka kimuni?
Like.
May matamano.
Like hat, sheta ka nandala ibe na matabi na likuwa.
Doon menaka.